because I'm like a baby right now. I'm like a baby that is growing and learning. That's what happens when God chooses you. That's what happens. When He chooses you, makes you to be a new person. He changed the drunken one to be sober. He changed the smokers to be non-smokers. He changed the thieves to be non-thief. I don't know if that even makes sense, but thieves they don't become thieves anymore. They become more smarter. Yeah, that makes sense. Mind my English. I'm still I'm learning this thing. I'm learning this transition. I'm learning this thing. I'm a work in progress.